A container of oxygen gas is at STP. If this sample is put into an oven at 280 degrees C, what would be its pressure in atmospheres? Constant volume. There's the big clue, constant volume. If we look at our note card, whose equation has the volume constant? Well, volume is constant for Gay-Lussac's law. P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. They're asking for pressure after it's placed into this hot oven. So they're asking for P2, the final pressure. Well, we'll have to algebraically solve this for final pressure. Let's go ahead and cross multiply. I've just cross multiplied P2, T1 equals P1, T2. Again, we're looking for the final pressure, so I need to divide both sides by T1 to get rid of the T1 here. There's the equation. We need to solve for P2. So P1 is known, T2 is known, T1 is known. P1 is going to be standard pressure, which is 1 atmosphere. Actually, since they're looking for the final pressure to be in atmospheres, it only makes sense to use the units of atmospheres for standard pressure, which happens to be 1 atmosphere. There's our initial pressure. Our final temperature is 280 C. Finally, in the denominator, we have T1, which is the initial temperature. The initial temperature was standard temperature, which, if you recall, is 0 degrees C. We have all of our numbers. Let's get cracking on the calculator. One atmosphere times the quantity 280 plus 273, close parentheses, divided by another set of parentheses, 0 plus 273, close parenthesis, enter, 2.03. 2.03, and the units are atmospheres.